Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to receive assets, receive crypto on your Nano S Plus from Ledger. So first of all, you'll need to have the app for the type of asset you want to receive. So you can see my Solana is in progress. Of course, you can use either the Ledger Live on desktop or Ledger Live on Android phones. Yes, that can be used. Now, once I'll have Solana, because that's what I'm gonna be receiving, I can just click on Add Account next to it. So let's click here. In the mobile app, it may be a bit different. The account may be in actually the portfolio only. So in the first page, basically, I'll need to approve opening Solana app first. Then it'll start synchronizing and it'll start scanning blockchain for existing accounts that have been set on the same recovery phrase that's set on this device, or possibly a passphrase as well if it was also set. So I have an account already, I believe, so I don't really know why it tells me that I need to create a new account, because I know that I have an account here. I'm just gonna make extra sure. I'll just quit it, lock the device. I'll make sure that I'm logged in on the correct account. So I'll just lock it, then enter the PIN. Okay, I'm gonna close it and let's go again. In portfolio, it'll be somewhere. Just click on that account, crypto asset, Solana, of course. Continue. Now let's open the Solana app. Okay, I need to do that again. Let's open, and now I'm gonna wait until it synchronizes it, and I am expecting it to actually find an account on blockchain. Yes, and as you can see, there is an existing account and a new account. I'm gonna just rename it here, and I'm gonna be using the existing account, of course. So let's click on Add Account now, but of course you can also create a new one. If you want to learn more about accounts in Ledger Live, there is a video on accounts, but it's for the Ledger Live app, not for this certain device, just for Ledger Live app in general. Now I'm gonna click on done, but you don't really need to learn about it. You can just do whatever I'm doing here. Now you can see once I have the account here, if I want to receive, then I'll need to simply go to receive in the left bar. Now select the account. I'm using Solana private, of course. Continue. Now you'll need to confirm the key if it's the same on both devices, and if it is, go to the right, approve it. Now click on done. Not now. Okay, so I had to first go to here. Then yes, I'm basically here. So first I'll need to either scan the code. Of course, after verifying it's the same on both devices, and then I can either copy it and send it to a person that's gonna send me money, or show a QR code. And that's what I'm gonna use, because I'm gonna use my mobile phone and my different app basically to transfer money. So I'll just go to that app and I can select send crypto here. Then I have an option to scan a QR code, and I'm gonna scan it. Now it's scanned, so I'm gonna select Solana, and then I'll transfer whatever is the minimum. I believe like 100 is the minimum. Now a few more things here in the app, like it depends on the app. And now click on send now, and it's basically received. So you only need the ledger to just get the key, but of course the key can be just saved, because even though the key can be regenerated, and I think it is regenerated each time, but I'm not sure about that. I don't really know that. Even though it can be regenerated, it's still all the ones that were previously generated still work. So that's also important. Now once we have that all done, let's approve it. And yeah, it was shared securely. Done. Okay, cool. And now I should see my balance go up shortly, because I've just sent the money a moment ago. So yeah, my balance should go up a little bit shortly. But of course, Solana takes like 20 seconds to approve, sometimes even more, depending on the moment. I'm gonna synchronize it. Yes, and once I synchronize it here at the top, I can see that my balance has went up. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.